Hey, what's up? Rob here again. And in this video, I want to talk to you about the latest challenge from ClickFunnels, and it's called Challenge Secrets Masterclass. Now, if you were lucky enough to take part in the last first funnel challenge that ClickFunnels ran last year, you'll hopefully realize how great these challenges are when they come up. And this one is no exception. So let's go in and take a look at what it's all about. Okay, so the Challenge Secrets Masterclass is all about building a specific type of funnel, and it's called a challenge funnel. Now, what this does, it gets potential customers to come into your sort of circle and take part in challenges that you build, and in doing so, they get to know, like, and trust you. You get to serve them, and they become long-term customers going forward. So it's a great type of funnel. It works really well, but they can be tricky to make. That's why this challenge has been put together. So, who's this challenge for? So, it could be for anyone who has tried marketing before and not quite got the results they're after. You could be completely new to online marketing. You might have an online or an offline business and you're not quite sure where to start. You might have heard of funnels, but not sure which type to use. Or you might have tried stuff in the past that hasn't worked. Either way, whatever your situation, this is going to help you. This type of funnel, a challenge funnel, can really help you by getting customers into your business. As I said, you can serve them, prove to them that you've got something of value for them, and they're going to be long-term customers going forward. Now, challenge funnels they're nothing particularly new, but they can be very tricky to set up, and they're not always obvious that they are a challenge funnel. But some of the big names use these all the time, and you may or may not even realize it. People like Grant Cardone, Dan Kennedy, Tony Robbins, even Russell Brunson himself uses these things. So they are a really valuable source and a really valuable thing to have for your business. So what can you expect in the challenge, in the 5-day challenge? So on the first day, they're going to talk about what is a challenge funnel. Now, these challenges they're online, they're going to be live. There will be recordings available as well, but basically you turn up. If you didn't go to the previous first funnel challenge, the format is you turn up to the live broadcast. You can watch it from your computer, from your phone, whatever it is, and you join in. There'll be homework to do afterwards, if you want to, of course. And the idea is that after the 5 days, you will have built your challenge funnel out completely with the benefit of the training and the teaching that takes part across the challenge. So the first day, we'll talk about what a challenge funnel is. It will give you some real world examples and why they're so important to converting completely cold traffic into raving customers, which is brilliant. Day 2, we'll talk about irresistible challenge offers, the 3 types of irresistible offers that work best, and you're also going to get special guests who have used these things, and they've really drilled down to these things into the point where they are experts at this. So you're in the right place to learn. And as I said, this training is completely free. So you kind of be a bit silly to miss it, really. If it's something you're interested in, online marketing and getting your business successful online, you really don't want to miss this. So day 3 is going to be creating an irresistible challenge. So it's okay having a challenge, but you want to make it really kind of something that people can't say no to. They have to take part. And there's a lot of ways that this can go wrong. So learning how to do it right is going to be so beneficial. So day 4 is going to be all about bringing traffic into your challenge funnel. So you may be able to build a challenge funnel, but unless you can get traffic to it, it's pretty pointless. Now, this covers you whichever end of the scale you sit at. Whether you've got no budget to spend, there are plenty of free ways to fill up your challenges completely for free. But if you have got a business that you've already got an advertising budget for, they'll also show you how you can scale that business quickly using paid traffic to your challenge funnel. And day 5 is the secret to selling while serving. Now, this is something a lot of people struggle with. You may have the best business out there. You may know that you can give a service that no one else can give, but you may not be happy and comfortable with selling your service. Sometimes it comes across as a bit salesy, and lots of people are uncomfortable with that when it comes to marketing their own business. So this day is going to be all about how to teach in your challenges so that the participants in your challenge, they feel like you're really personally serving them on an individual level, and they're going to be excited to work with you. They're going to get to know you, like you, and trust you, and they're going to want to work with you and become customers of yours long term going forwards. Now, spoiler alert, there is a bonus 6th day, and that's going to be all about showing case studies of challenge funnels, real world examples, and all of that stuff. So you'll have learned everything by this point, and this is going to be about really cementing that information into your mind, where you can actually see real world examples actually working in real life. So this day is, definitely will finish everything, round everything off for you. Now, also on this page, I'll give you the link in a minute. You'll also see testimonials of people who've been through some of this training from a different place, where they will have built these challenge funnels from these experts and some of the results that they've got with these funnels. So you're going to want to take a look at this. They are really, it's such a valuable resource. So what can you expect to get from the Challenge Secrets Masterclass? So if this might be you before the challenge, if you're confused, you've got no marketing system, you're not quite sure how to drive your business forward, or you've tried things before and it hasn't worked, whatever situation you're in, it can be difficult to actually move forwards. But once you've done this challenge, you're going to have, after the 5 days, you will have a fully built out challenge funnel that's fully working and ready to go, regardless of what type of business you have. And it's going to be a predictable marketing system. You're going to know that it's going to bring customers into you almost on autopilot once it's up and running and working, and you're going to enjoy marketing. In case if you didn't like marketing before and you're like, oh, this is the bit most people hate, you'll actually enjoy it because it becomes fun, because you're creating a challenge. You're almost gamifying the fact of, or the process of bringing in customers to your businesses. You're making it fun, which is brilliant. So you're going to know exactly how to attract customers, and you're never going to feel stuck with your marketing. So this is really what the challenge is all about. So here's everything you get from ClickFunnels in terms of the challenge. When you sign up, you get, and it's all for free, as I said, you get 5 days of learning on how to build, grow, and scale any business. So it's online, offline, whatever it is, using challenge funnels. And as I said, you're also going to get that bonus day with the real world examples. You're also going to get free access to the Challenge Secret Masterclass Facebook group. Now, if you've never done a ClickFunnels challenge before, you may not realize this, but these groups are absolutely amazing. So after everyone's taken in the information and absorbed everything, you start to think you've got loads of questions. So everyone who participates joins a private Facebook group. You get to ask questions. Some of the actual experts are on there as well. You'll get answers. Can throw ideas around. If you're not quite sure of something, you can ask questions. And again, there's no question that's a silly question. It's all welcome in there. It's a really supportive community, and that in itself, that Facebook group, I think, is priceless. And you're also going to get a funnel building toolkit, easy for me to say, to help maximize your challenges even more. So it actually boosts your success. And don't forget, I'm giving you, as a thank you for signing up through my link, which I'm going to put on the screen in a moment, I am giving you my bonuses, which revolve around getting free traffic on Google, getting your product or service listed on the front page of Google, usually within 24 hours. So to get my bonuses, all you need to do is head over to claim.myclickfunnels.com/secrets. That link's on the screen and in the description below. That'll bring you to this page here. I'm not going to go through the whole page. You can read all of the bonuses that you get. But in short, to summarize, it's one of my mentors here in the UK. He specializes in using the power of Google to rank on the front page of Google, page one, usually within 24 hours for any product, service, whatever it is that you offer. The chances are, if you found my videos, I've used these methods taught by him in order to get them on the front page of Google. It's a really powerful method and it works. The great thing about this is it really complements the Challenge Secrets Masterclass, because obviously once you've got your challenge set up and built after this 5 days, you can learn this system and actually get those things ranked on the front page of Google, which you're going to get even more customers, even more traffic into your challenge funnels. So all you need to do is head over to, as I said, the links on the screen, claim.myclickfunnels.com/secrets. Click on any of these green buttons on the page here, fill out your details, click send me the bonuses. That will take you to the challenge page here. And all you need to do, you can read through again if you want to, click on any of these orange buttons on the page and just sign up for the challenge, and ClickFunnels will send you all of the login details, the access details as well for the 5-day challenge. There is also a chance to upgrade through ClickFunnels to a VIP package in which you get unlimited access to the recordings of this challenge, and you also get some other bonuses as well. But I'll let you go through and choose whether you do or whether you don't do that. It's entirely up to you. It's a pretty good offer, so it's something I would do personally. And I also have done, because it's great to get access to these recordings going forward. But you don't have to. As I said, this challenge is completely free. You can just turn up. Definitely take notes. I would if I were you. But go through the challenge, do your homework, and you will definitely get results within the week for your business. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like. It really helps me with getting my videos in front of more people like you who find them helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos like this when I post them. So thanks for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye.